Hello for everyone and welcome back again. On the last lecture, we importing our DWG on the Dialux Evo software, and also we convert all the drawing in one color, which is the red. Now in this lecture, we will learn how to build up our module on the ground floor. Firstly, I have to go here, and after I importing my plan from plan tab here, I have to click on the next tab and select draw new building, and here I will mark up my exterior wall for the ground floor. From the first point here, clicked and go here to the next point, and also going here, and then the next corner, and I will continue selecting all my exterior wall here. If I make my mistake like this, I can select undo from here. Okay. After that, I will go also to my frame, the ground floor wall. Okay, I think I make a mistake here. I will click here in undo, and because I need my wall in one alignment. After that, this is the last wall. Click here and here close polyline. Now, as you see here, because I'm selecting and determine the exterior wall, the ground floor, he mentioned that the shape which I am selecting in one color. And after that, for 3D, I can click here 3D rendering. And as you see here, this is my building frame. Okay, and for the height of the ground floor, I will move here story height. I can mention three. It is as per the drawing of the architect, or I will ask the architect engineer how much the height of the ground floor. And for me, I will make it, for example, 3 meters. Okay, as you see, it is go upside a little bit. Okay, now I have here site for all the building with the landscape area. Also, I have the building here, a tab, and also I have here story. And this is story 1 or ground floor. I can name it here ground floor. Okay, now I will back again here. I have a 3D rendering, and I have here floor plan view. I will back again to the floor plan view, and also I will go to the next step, which is mentioning my interior divided area. Okay, I think here we have a mistake. Okay, we have to add 1 point. Okay, and I will change this by clicking on it. Now I correct the defect. Okay, I will go to the next step, which is draw a new room from the search type, which is the story and building construction. After I will click on it, I will click here to the interior area of the room, and to the corner of the room, and the last corner of the room. Okay, close polyline. Now, as you see here, we have if we click on 3D rendering, you see here it is he already automatically create the wall, the first room which I am select. Okay, I will back again to the floor plan, and I will mention all my interior area. Okay, I will do for the entrance here the same. Close the line. Now also for the powder room, for the bathroom reception, select the corner and the other corner, and here also close by line, and also here I have the guest toilet. Select from here. If I make any mistake, I can clear it by pressing undo. Okay, and here also I will go for the majlis. Majlis means that the guest area. This Arabic word. Okay, close the line, and now I have here also toilet room. Close the line. I can ask the architect what is this interior line. Maybe it is for plastering, or I think for the toilet it is a marble. Sorry. Now I have here the living area. It is connected with your emergency lobby. I can select it as one area here. Okay. Now the corner, and here. Also, I think the kitchen is connected with them together. Now for this I can select it as one. Yeah, but I have the stair here. It's separated from them. Okay. Have to be careful selecting the edge of the wall. Okay, now why? Because I want my wall to be on straight alignment. Okay, close the line. Now if I check on. Okay, you have to save. He mentioned that the 30 minutes which I'm selecting from the setting is finished. I have to save my project. I can save it on desktop, project 0, save. Okay, I have also this area. This is different little bit from the interior area, because here we have only a cantilever. Okay, I will also make it select a new room, and I will make it in aligned. Okay, okay, close polyline. Now after I'm finished from preparing my interior area, what I have to do next, the next step is to insert the wall and window. How can I make it? I will go also to the next tab here, and I will select my window and tab. But to import it, I have to click here, floor plan view again, and then I will select my window. I'll select here. I have many shape of window, round window or rectangular or arched. For me, I will go the rectangular window. Okay, and after that I will click on here, select here, move a little bit to be fit with DWG, and after that I can make also scale to be the same size the DWG file. I can check this window on 3D module, as you see here. Oh, very good. And also I can change the dimension, the height, for example, 1.3, and the width of the window and the frame width and the ceiling height and so on. And I will also to import the door. I have to select here from the menu. Here I have a door standard, and also I will click on it and drag it and drop on my door. Also I can change the dimension by scale to be fit with the drawing on DWG file. As you see here, we have the okay, and I will complete doing the same steps for all my window and my door. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next lecture.